we're going to roll out our top crust and place that on the pie. Dust your surface with flour and place the disc on the flour. And then we'll just pound that out, turn it. Trying to keep the disc round and just enlarging it a little at a time. Keep that board nice and floured. Put the dough back on and roll that out. Just back and forth, kind of easing it out into a nice round shape. You'd like it to be about an inch larger than the pie plate all the way around. Put a little flour on top if it begins to stick. And just push together any cracks that you get. Just sort of overlap it and push that in place. You also can feel, if you feel any high spots, and you roll that out. I think that's about the right size. I just hold the pie plate over it and see if it's a little bit bigger than the pie plate. That looks good. It's about an inch bigger than the pie plate all around. Now, I'm going to put my pie over here. I'm going to just carefully pick up the crust, just roll it and slide it over that pie. There. Now at this point you can just kind of ease it onto the top of the pie, just kind of pressing it into the apples all around, and then fold up and tuck in that little lip of pie crust. If it cracks, it's fine. You just you could take a little water to repair if you want to stick on a new piece there. And make a lip all the way around. There you go. We'll keep those little pieces to do cutouts later. This is a little thin here, so I'm just going to touch it with a little water and add a extra piece of dough. Continue going all the way around, making a little lip.